Hey, how's it going, folks? I just wanted to get a quick video on a couple things I've done on the bus recently. I got a temporary solar panel setup going. I just have a single panel for now to keep the battery charged when I'm away for work. There's a small little bit of draw on it, so this keeps it nice and charged. I have temporary mounts where I just put some brackets mounted to the bottom of this, and then mounted them with self-tappers to the roof of the bus. And I just have them on the front, so 4 on each side and none on the back yet, because I do plan to move this. The hard panels like this will get mounted on a raised mount, so there will be quite a bit of space underneath for airflow. And then I will have flexible solar panels for the sides right here. I do have to finish painting the roof white, just putting down the base coats and stuff for now, to get the temperatures down inside. On top of this solar panel, I do also have my speaker set up. So this is for the PA, as well as sirens and horns and other stuff that I have, so I can go inside and show you that. So with the temporary solar setup, the 2 wires just come through here. This is all very temporary. I plan to take the roof panels off and then also run the wires through that little hole back there. And they go to this little temporary solar charge panel, and then I just have some jumper cables wired up that come down and go to the battery through the window. I do plan to run it through this little post here eventually, where the battery setup is down in the car, but it works for now, so it's not a bad setup. And then here's the PA system. And I got the handle there. Turned it on for you so you could see. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Turn it down, I'll do the horn. You can definitely hear that. But yeah, that's that. Gets a bigger horn for the bus overall. It's a lot nicer because the little horn that's on there does not sound like it comes from this big bus. It sounds like it comes from a little bug or something. But this is where I'm parked currently. Oh, Jesus. Fucking big ass bug. This is where I'm parked currently. Just chilling here at a trucking area. Give you an overview of the bus as it sits. Here's the back with the Stay Illinois sticker. There's my car. So it's all black. The roof will all be white soon. And then this is currently it's hooked up as a shore RV, but I'm gonna erase this and hook up tank and everything like that. And then this just goes into the like maintenance area, so I can grab tools and stuff there. So it's pretty cool. And then the long-term goals is to be able to fit the car inside the bus. Here's how I have the temporary solar setup ran, just straight to the battery box and then hooked up to the jumper cable. So it works pretty good. You have to have some pretty meaty jumper cables if you're gonna do it. You can't have any cheapo ones with thin wires. Rosie, come on, doggy, let's go. Get on the bus, get on the bus. So that's my bus as it sits now. I'll get you guys an update video soon. I've been toying with some colors for the side striping. I've been playing with the white. I did a few other colors, but the whole bus really needs a good sand and respray, because whoever painted it before me didn't do such a great job. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure out colors. I like this white. I think with the white on all of those would look pretty good, but I'm still not sure. Let me know what you guys think. See you later. Darla, this is Darla. She's my Corgi Chihuahua.